Welcome to Morocco, a land where the past and present dance together under the endless sky. Today, we're diving into the heart of this magical place, exploring brief history and the rich tapestry of cultures that make Morocco a treasure chest of human history. Morocco's story begins with the Berbers, or the Amazigh as they call themselves, meaning free people. They are the original inhabitants of Morocco, living there for thousands of years, long before any outsiders arrived. The Berbers built the foundation of what Morocco is today, with their deep connection to the land and their strong sense of independence. Over time, traders from Phoenicia, an ancient civilization located in what is now Lebanon, arrived in Morocco. They set up trading posts along the coast, connecting Morocco to the wider Mediterranean world. But it was the Romans who later took control, adding Morocco to their vast empire. They left behind impressive cities and ruins, like Volubilis, showcasing their advanced engineering and architecture. Despite these influences, the Berbers maintained their identity and traditions. When Islam reached Morocco in the 7th century, it brought significant changes. The new religion shaped the country's culture, learning, and governance. Morocco became a center of Islamic learning, with cities like Fez and Marrakech growing into major cultural and religious hubs. The University of Al-Qarawiyyin in Fez, established in 859, highlights this golden age of knowledge and faith. The 20th century was a pivotal time for Morocco, as it fought for and gained independence from French and Spanish control in 1956. Today, Morocco celebrates its rich heritage, a blend of Berber, Arab, African, and European influences. Its cities, like Marrakech and Casablanca, are vibrant centers of culture and history, where ancient traditions coexist with modern life. The Berbers, or Amazigh, continue to be a vital part of Moroccan society, proudly preserving their language, culture, and the spirit of the free people. Moroccans are the heart and soul of this country, guardians of traditions that date back thousands of years. Here, hospitality isn't just a courtesy, it's a way of life. And oh, the festivals. Morocco knows how to celebrate like nowhere else. In the heart of the desert, under a canopy of stars, the Gnaoua World Music Festival transforms the ancient city of Essaouira into a melting pot of sounds. Picture musicians from around the globe, their music a blend of African rhythms, Berber melodies, and Arabic lyrics, coming together in a celebration that transcends borders. The air vibrates with the deep, soulful beats of the Gnaoua, their spiritual songs, a testament to a heritage that traces back to Africa's heart. But the magic doesn't stop there. Travel with me to the spiritual city of Fez, where the streets come alive with the Fez Festival of World Sacred Music. It's more than just a festival, it's a journey into the soul. Imagine sitting in the courtyard of a centuries-old palace, surrounded by music that has traveled through time and space, chants, hymns, and dances that speak of faith, longing, and joy. As we venture deeper into the heart of Morocco, the aroma of spices in the air leads us to an exploration of one of the most delightful aspects of Moroccan culture, its cuisine. Moroccan food is not just about nourishing the body. It's a feast for the senses, a celebration of flavors that tells the story of the land and its people. Imagine sitting down to a meal in a traditional Moroccan home. The table is a canvas of color, with dishes that blend the sweet with the savory, the fresh with the preserved. At the center is the tagine, a slow-cooked stew that's as much a symbol of Moroccan hospitality as it is of its culinary artistry. Our journey through Morocco's cultural insights wouldn't be complete without delving into the soul of the nation's creativity, its crafts and artisanry. From the bustling souks filled with hand-woven carpets to the workshops where artisans painstakingly craft intricate mosaic tiles, Morocco's rich tradition of craftsmanship is a vibrant expression of its history and identity. In every thread of a Berber rug, in every curve of a carved cedar wood, the stories of Morocco are told by hands that have inherited centuries-old skills. These crafts are not just beautiful objects, they're a bridge to the past, a connection to the traditions that have shaped Moroccan culture. From the bustling cities to the quiet desert, Moroccan architecture is a testament to the country's rich history and diverse influences. Imagine walking through the ancient Medinas, where every alleyway tells a story. Every building is a piece of history. The intricate tile work, known as zeliga, adorns palaces and mosques, creating patterns that captivate the eye and invite contemplation. The riads, traditional Moroccan houses built around a central courtyard, offer an oasis of calm amidst the chaos of city life, their design reflecting a deep understanding of privacy, family, and the importance of nature. But it's not just the physical structures that define Moroccan architecture, it's the stories they tell. The Kasbah of the Udayas, with its commanding view of the Rabat coastline, speaks of a time when pirates and rulers vied for control of the seas. The Koutoubia Mosque in Marrakech, with its towering minaret, serves as a landmark of faith and a beacon for travelers from around the world. And then there's the city of Fez, home to the oldest university in the world, where scholars have gathered for centuries to learn and debate. As we marvel at these architectural masterpieces, we're reminded of the spiritual dimension that permeates Moroccan life. The call to prayer echoes through the cities 5 times a day, a reminder of the Islamic faith that shapes much of Morocco's cultural and social landscape. The mosques, with their minarets reaching towards the sky, are not just places of worship. They're centers of community, where people come together in faith and fellowship. Yet, Morocco's spirituality isn't confined to Islam alone. The country's history is a tapestry woven from many threads, including Jewish, Christian, and indigenous beliefs. The Mellahs, or Jewish quarters, in cities like Marrakech and Fez, tell a story of coexistence and cultural exchange, while the annual pilgrimage to the shrine of Rabbi Amram ben Diwan in Ouazzane speaks of the enduring legacy of Morocco's Jewish community. In the remote valleys of the Atlas Mountains and the vast expanse of the Sahara, the ancient Amazigh, Berber traditions continue to thrive, their spiritual practices deeply connected to the land and the seasons. The Amazigh New Year, celebrated in January, is a time of joy and renewal, an affirmation of life's cyclical nature and the community's resilience in the face of a changing world. Hit that like button if you enjoyed our journey through Morocco's history, subscribe for more fascinating tales, and drop a comment below to share your thoughts or stories about Morocco.